What's up, everybody? Welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei, and today I'm gonna be doing an analysis on OKLO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, on today's video, I will show you the most precise technical analysis of this stock. I will show you its crucial levels, its price targets, short and medium-term price targets. On top of that, I will show you all the risks related to this stock within just several minutes. And before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join two tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd. And let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon. So guys, I have to admit that this stock grabs my attention because of its recent price action, during which from its lowest point that was established in last September, for the 1 year alone, this asset gained more than 2,000% to its value. And I have to admit that the most recent price action that this asset has, basically from the beginning of this September, it gained about 100% to its value, and it is still moving higher. So I have to admit that if you take a look at fundamentals of this company, you will see that this company is not so stable. If you take a look at its statements, you can see that they don't have any revenue at all. This means they don't have net income. They are burning money, but the main catalyst for the stock is the retail-driven sentiment on top of the sentiment for the nuclear energy. And guys, these type of stocks that are trying to develop small nuclear reactors are very interesting for now for the entire world. That is why we have a lot of hype that is surrounding these type of stocks, and that is why, guys, the price momentum might continue. So let's take a look at its technical price actions. I have to admit that from this lowest point, this asset, as you can see, completed several waves. And according to Elliott wave theory, guys, we have a clear ABC structure right here. And We have 3 waves in our A wave, 3 waves in our B wave, and we have to have 5 waves in our C wave. And this is the most interesting part, guys. I have several breakdowns of this movement from its lowest point that was established on beginning of April of this year. But I don't see that this price action has ended right here. Yes, I see that in the short-term perspective it has to have a cool down, and let's dig deeper inside this movement. If you take a look from this previous bottom, you can see that this asset formed just 1-2 waves. This is the structure from this bottom. It is 1, 2, and it is forming its 3rd wave. Then we have to see the 4th and 5th wave to the upside. But at the same time, guys, this is another 1, 2, and this is the 3rd wave. That is guys, it is not the end of this wave, and this means right after the retracement it might have another leg to the upside. And to be honest, if I zoom in, if I take a look at the indicators, we have several bearish divergences on a 2 hours time frame. You can see we have lower highs on our side with the higher highs on the price action. We have pretty much the same pattern on 3 hours time frame, but the momentum in this last wave is huge. You can see it on MACD indicator. That is why, guys, this asset, well, it is not the weakest asset right now. I think it still has a lot of power to grow, to hit higher targets. But believe me, this quite high volatility will harm a lot of retail investors. And take a look right here. This asset is on the 2nd place on the watchers section, and it is on the 9th place in the most active section. And I have to admit that as long as this sentiment continues, this asset might hit much higher targets. And let's project some price targets. If this is the internal 1-2 setup, we can project, let's do it like this, we can project the top of this 3rd wave, and let me show you how we can do it. If I pull a FIB extension tool from the bottom of the 1st wave to the top of the 1st wave and to the bottom of the retracement, you can see that this asset already hit the most probable price target at 1.618. But internally, guys, internally we also have 1-2 setup right here. And if I pull FIB extension tool from the bottom of the 1st wave internally to the top of the 1st internal wave, we have the breakout above this range, and this means the next price target for this 3rd wave might be at 2.618 extension level at $165.47. And this means, guys, if this price momentum continues, it can hit this level. But at the same time, guys, the likelihood of this becomes lower because the higher this asset goes up, the less likely its movement will continue. That is why, guys, be cautious with your position on OKLO. Remember that for now, fundamentally, this asset has no any evidence that they will succeed in this field of, let's say, portable nuclear energy. At the same time, the sentiment that is surrounding this stock is extremely bullish. That is why, guys, wait for more confirmation of the upside movement or downside movement, and manage your position accordingly to this sentiment. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.